Hi guys, so I got a haircut and I'm obsessed with it. I got layers for the first time in my life. I always just do straight across, but get ready for my next story time with me because I have a horror story for my haircut. It was really bad, so I got a haircut and I got it finally fixed and I'm obsessed with it. I got it done yesterday and today I'm going out with my friends and we're gonna go shopping, and I didn't tell them that I got it done, so I'm super excited to see what their reaction is. I'll probably leave it down in the description box with how they reacted, but I'm really happy with it. I think it looks so good. And it's gonna take a little bit of getting used to with like the short hair in my face, but I'm absolutely obsessed with it. So yeah, so today I'm gonna do a makeup look that's really easy, really casual for just like a girls' day shopping. Yeah, it's just we're going to the mall, we're gonna have a girls' day, you know, it's gonna be a lot of fun and really chill, so I thought, why not? I'm still in my pajamas, and I figured let me do my makeup and then get dressed and ready to go. So yeah, and sorry if I'm a little bit like sniffly, I'm sick, so yeah. So if you guys like this type of video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell, that way you guys get notifications whenever I post future videos. Leave a comment down below what future videos you guys want to see and what you guys want me to make. Do you guys like my hair? I'm obsessed with it. Hopefully, I'm very low maintenance with my hair, so hopefully it's not too hard to maintain, but I'll keep you guys posted on that front. And yeah, if you guys want to see me go from this to this, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm back. I had to change the lighting, moisturize my skin because I had forgotten, surprisingly, and put this on because the ponytail no longer works with my short layers. So as you guys I'm sure saw, so yeah, and on camera my eyes look really pale, but they're not in person. I might add a little bit of depth to it, but right now I like it because I want it to be really natural. But yeah, so the only changes are the lighting, moisturize my skin, there's no tint on it though, and the headband, which I just got this headband in my Pop Sugar box, and this is the first time I use it. It's a really thick headband. It's like thin, but it's very wide, so which I'm not used to, but I appreciate that it's keeping everything out of my face. Okay, so I did put my hair in a ponytail just because I don't want any hair on my face, so yeah. I know I look insane, but bear with me. So yeah, so let's keep going with this makeup look. So there we go. What do you guys think? I just got my lashes lifted, so that's why they look really long, but I don't get lash extensions. I get a lash lift, which is like a lash perm, so it's like curled for like 9 to 10 weeks, I want to say, and it makes the biggest difference. Like I don't wear makeup like 90% of the time now, just because when I wake up I feel like I don't need it, unless I'm like breaking out, but for the most part it makes the biggest difference. It really opens up your eyes. It makes you look so much more awake. It's just the best investment. And I do get them tinted too, so that way it just looks like I have mascara on 24/7. It's fantastic. But today I kind of wanted to put mascara on just because I had eyeshadow on it on my lashes. So yeah, what do you guys think? Really easy. It literally took me less than 30 minutes to do this entire thing. I'm so excited. I'm actually gonna be late, so I have to go. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please remember to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell. That way you guys get notifications whenever I post future videos and you guys can see what I'm up to. And leave a comment down below if you guys like this. What's your favorite store to shop at? There we go. For clothing, for makeup, just what's your favorite store? I don't know if I can pick one. And in person or online, I'm like itching to buy new clothes, so yeah, it's an issue. But yeah, let me know what in the comments down below what stores you guys like to shop at, because like I said, I'm really itching to buy new clothes, so I can always use a recommendation. And yeah, I'm gonna be late. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on social media. All of my links are down below, and you guys can keep up with me. And I have all like the names up here somewhere. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!